What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Adil here with Milky Tech. Did you guys see those awesome prints earlier on? Well, they were printed using this HP NV Photo 7155. The reason why we went with this printer is I do real estate photography and my wife does open houses for real estate. And the days that she can't get into the office to use their printer, well, we have to print our flyers. And this printer checks off a lot of the marks. It is a photo printer, so you know it will print great quality and it will do it in a timely manner. Now, of course, it's not going to be as fast as one of those big old printers, but at about 18 seconds a page printing, it's not too bad. So let's open this guy up, show you what's inside, go over the specs, and let's show you how to set this up. So let's get this done. This is everything that comes in the box except for the box cutter. Put that to the side. So in the box, there is a power cord, your ink cartridges. Here we have a goodie bag. Let's open the bag up. An unbagging and an unboxing. In the bag we have some photo paper, a little information on the ink. A cool thing that HP is doing is their instant ink subscription. What it does is it will send you ink when you're out of ink. Now over here they show only 3 tiers, but online there are 5 tiers, ranging from 99 cents a month all the way up to $24.99 a month. Depending on how much you print each month, it's how you would pick which tier you would like to choose. So if you are a business and you're printing 700 pages a month, well, you go for the $24.99. Considering each cartridge is about $50, you're already saving so much money that way. And if you're a light printer, it's 99 cents a month. And by the time you do finish the cartridge, it will still be, I think, less than buying another cartridge. And in the box, you do get 2 free months of this program. And if you were to buy an HP printer around this time before January hits, they give you 3 months of instant ink as well, and 3 months of Canva. So if you're a content creator or creating flyers, posters, 3 months of Canva Pro is awesome, and I'm definitely going to take advantage of this. And the last thing is we have our user manual. Alright guys, so let's remove this beautiful wrapping around this beautiful printer. The incision there. And tear it apart. So, take this out. Have to remove all the plastics and tips and everything. So let's do an overview of the printer. On the top, we have our scanner. On the front, we have our power button, our 2.65-inch touchscreen display, a little logo. It is energy efficient. The paper comes out from here, and at the bottom is where we load all our papers. So we could put different types of papers here, and you just adjust it by moving the levers like so. Over here you put the photo paper. Over here you just use just a regular paper. And depending on what you want to use, you can just adjust it this way. On the side here, there's something very interesting. I think this is a vent so it will cool down. So on the back we have power and we have USB. So let's set this guy up. So before we turn this guy on, we want to install our ink cartridges. To reveal the internals of the printer, you just pull on these 2 tabs up and it comes all the way up. Over here is where we install our cartridges. Links for the printer and all the ink cartridges will be in the description below. And now we're going to install our black cartridge. Push that in till it clicks. Get our color cartridge. Okay. Once they're clicked in, we're good. Push this down. So the next thing we want to do is we want to plug the power in. With the power plugged in, just hit the power button and it comes alive. So let's do our setup as it's trying to do its cleaning and its first initializations. So first thing you want to do is select your language, English for me, and then confirm it. Select your country of origin, USA. Load unused paper, so let's grab some paper. Throw some papers. Okay, now it's calibrating the printer. And we have a test page. Alright, now with it being calibrated, is it okay? So I'm going to skip that. We'll always do that later. I'm just going to advanced setup. Let's do wireless. Connect. I don't want HP to take my information, so I declined that. Now, I just printed a page letting me know all the information so I can print remotely to this printer. It gives you a QR code and gives you an email. And now let's go to the computer to install the drivers. Alright, so let's install the drivers for this printer. Go to HP support and let's install the drivers. I'll install what's the recommended one. Apparently we have to go to the Microsoft Store to download this. Alright, installed. Alright, let's launch it. No, I don't want to help by sending you my information. Let's set up a new printer. That's our printer. Continue. Let's create an account. This way I can take advantage of their offer for the free instant ink. Alright, put in a code and now it's doing its setup. Alright, so now we've skipped instant ink. I'll come back to that later and activate my trial. So let's do a few printing exercises and test the quality out. As you can see right here, it says that we're out of paper. So let's go put some paper in the printer. Now that we added paper to the printer, let's do some photo printing. I'm doing a little surprise for my wife, printing some of our favorite memory moments and making a little collage for her. So yeah, let's select these photos. Alright, so first we want to make sure we're selecting the right printer here when the Windows printing pops up. Then we want to select our paper size and then our paper type. The paper that we're using is the provided HP everyday photo paper, the glossy type. And then I'm going to select scaling, shrink to fit. Everything is looking good. Select high quality and we're going to hit print. Let's go check out the quality. Alright, so the setup process was super simple, as you guys saw. Overall, I am impressed with this printer. Do wish it was faster, but this is an inkjet, not a laser jet. So if you want something that is quicker, go for a laser jet, but understand they are much more expensive. Overall, I am impressed with the quality. The setup process is fairly simple, fairly quick. You should have this up and running within 10 minutes. Overall, you get a recommendation from me. You get 2 thumbs up. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like, hit subscribe, ring the bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have questions, suggestions, or just want to say hello, what's up? Drop it in the comments below. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.